Find your stillness. Begin to sense the body, noticing if there's any tension or stress. Allow the breath to be deep. Long, slow inhales and exhales. If it feels right, allow energy to move up the center line with your inhales and back down the center line with your exhales. And check in, are there any other places where you can release even more? Find another breath or two here in your stillness. Begin to move the head in any way that feels right for your neck. The breath stays deep. The face stays relaxed. Bring the head back to center. Take an inhale to reach the arms out and up. Exhale, hands together and down to the heart. Inhaling, the arms reach back out and up. Exhale, down the center line to your heart. One more time, maybe gathering something on your inhale. Love, light, peace, strength. Exhale, hands to the heart, drawing it into your being. Take another breath. Clasp your fingers, press the palms forward, round the spine, chin to the chest. Let it feel good. Breathe space into the back of the heart. Reach the arms up to the sky, and then take a hinge to your left, breathing space into the right side of your body. Inhale back to center, keeping that clasp, lengthen and make your way to your right. Big breaths. Inhale to center. Exhale, cactus arms, open the heart. Inhale, reach up, lengthen. Exhale, cactus arms. Inhale, reach, get nice and long. Audible exhale, make it a sigh. Cactus arms. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, take a twist to your right. Long, slow inhales and exhales. Still breathing deeply even though you're twisted. We'll inhale, reaching back at center, Keep that length as you exhale to your left. Inhale, unravel and reach. Bring the arms a little wider in the air. Take a moment for gratitude, creating a funnel shape with your arms. Bring the hands back to the heart. Clasp your fingers, reach the palms back up to the sky. And we'll find a side stretch to the right. Right hand on the earth, left arm reaching up along the ear. Bottom shoulder is relaxed down. Inhale, reach back up. Clasp your fingers except for the pointers, they reach, and then float down to your left in that side stretch. Left hand planted on the earth. Right arm reaching for more length. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, float the arms down. Roll your shoulders. Roll your wrists. Still breathing deeply, extend the legs forward. Root in, reach up. Find a fold. Paschimottanasana. If you'd like, you might move with your breath, inhaling to lift up a little for even more length, exhaling, hinging deeper into the fold. And stretching the whole back of the body here. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, float them down. Take a gaze to the sky, lift your heart, squeeze your shoulder blades. Find a reverse plank, lifting the hips to the sky. And then floating back down to inhale the arms up, exhale back into the fold. Just holding where you're comfortable. Still breathing deeply. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, float the arms down. Bend the knees, soles of the feet to the mat. Root into your sitting bones, hold the back of the knees. Find your boat pose. Knees can stay bent or legs can extend. Hands can stay holding or release. Keep your heart lifted. Breathe. Lower the feet down. Walk the heels in toward the body. Wrap the arms around for a hug. Bring the forehead to the knees and maybe lift your heels or lift both feet for a little balance challenge. Notice all the places where you're stretching. Lift the head, release right back into your boat pose. Any variation, find what you need. The heart stays lifted as you lower the legs down, reach up, fold forward, back to that seated forward bend. Long, slow inhales and exhales. Roll the spine up. Let the heart guide you back into the fold. Bend the knees and take the arms underneath the knees, holding opposite wrists or opposite elbows. Release the arms, reach them back, out and up, hands together and down at the heart. Bring the hands beside you, the soles of the feet to touch. And let the heart melt forward to round the spine back up, undulating the spine. And then find your way into a fold, holding wherever it's comfortable. You might open the feet like a book to stretch the ankles. You might take the elbows to the inner thighs to gently press deeper into a hip opener. Either way, the breath is deep. Roll the spine back up. Reach the arms back out and up. And take a twist to your right. Take a side stretch. Reach the right arm up and hinge toward the left knee. Breathe. Make your way back up into the twist just for a moment to unravel and reach. Exhale, twisting to your left. Take the side stretch, hinging the torso toward the right knee. Make your way back up into the twist. Unravel. Take the heart toward the feet. Baddha Konasana. Lift the heart and float it back down. Roll the spine back up. Bring the soles of the feet to the outer edges of the mat to take the knees side to side like windshield wipers. You might take the opposite shoulder away from the knees for more of a stretch. Listen to your body. Begin to find your way into your tabletop, hands and knees, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Find your breath in cat and cow. Tailbone, head, and heart lift on the inhales. Spine rounds on the exhales. Extend your right leg back behind you, toes on the mat, stretching the whole back of the leg by pressing through the arms. And lift that foot and take it out over to the left side, stretching the outside of that hip. Take a gaze to that ankle, stretching the whole right side of the body. We'll bring it back, keep it lifted. Maybe the left arm reaches forward. Maybe bend the knee and take a hold of the foot, kicking the foot into the hand. The breath is deep. And if you're holding the foot, release the arm and leg back out. The hand and knee comes back down to the mat. Hips side to side for a little release. Turn the toes, lift the hips, melt the heart. Downward facing dog. Bring the knees back down. Recreate your tabletop. Extend your left leg back behind you, toes on the mat. Stretching the back of that leg by pressing through the hands. Long inhales and exhales. We'll take it to the hip and side stretch by bringing the foot over to the right. Take a gaze at that ankle. And feel the stretch in your left hip. We'll bring it back to center, extending it in the air. Maybe the right arm reaches forward. Stay here or bend the knee to take a hold of the foot or the ankle behind you, kicking the foot into the hand for the stretch. Locking the gaze can help with balance. Work towards stillness before releasing the arm and leg back out and lowering the hand and the knee back to the mat. Walk the hands toward the feet, coming into a low squat if that's available for your body. Maybe bringing the hands to the heart and out and up to the sky, back to the heart. We'll all fold forward into a standing forward bend, Uttanasana. Half lift on an inhale, lower back down on an exhale. Arms out and up, breathing in. Hands to the heart, breathing out. We'll step the right leg forward for warrior 3. Find where you need to be. Left leg lifts to your level. Arms in any position. Again, lock your gaze. Find a drishti point, a non-moving spot to keep your focus on. Release the foot back down. Find your mountain to inhale the arms out and up. Exhale, hands to the heart. We'll take the left foot forward, preparing for that warrior. Right leg begins to lift. Lifting to your level, your variation of warrior 3. Arms in any position. Stay with your breath. Hips squared with each other. When you're ready to release, come out with control. Arms reach out and up on an inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Half lift, breathing in. Fold again, breathing out. Arms reach out and up with an inhale. Find your chair pose, Utkatasana, sitting back into your imaginary chair. Maybe lifting your toes. Hinge forward, reaching the arms back. Inhale, reach back up into your chair. Straighten the legs, find a little back bend. And back to center. Find your cactus. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Half lift, breathing in. Fold again, breathing out. Take the right leg up for standing splits. Just lifting it to your level. Release it back down, half lift, fold, breathing out. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the hands. Left leg lifts to the sky, standing splits. Find where you need to be. Stay with your breath. Release back down to your standing forward bend, half lift, breathing in. Hold again, breathing out. Roll the spine up piece by piece. Roll your shoulders. And step your right leg back for warrior 1. Arms reach up. Find your variation. I clasped my fingers except for the pointers. They're reaching. The heart's lifted. The hips squared with each other. Bring the hands down to the mat on the inside of that left knee. Get a little movement in the hips. Listen to your body. Begin to walk the foot heel toe over to your right side, finding your pigeon pose. Once you've found the position, find your fold forward. Let go in every muscle. Breathe space into your left hip. And again, notice if there's any place where you can release even more. We'll plant the hands back on the mat. Turn the back toes under. Lift right into a three-legged dog. Oh, that left knee bends, opening the hip even more. Release back to center to lower the foot down. From down dog, find your plank. Lower through chaturanga, lift your heart. Make your way back into your dog. Bend out the knees if you'd like, or stay in stillness. Take a look between your hands and walk, step, or jump forward, standing forward bend. Half lift on an inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms reach out and up, big stretch. Exhale, hands to the heart. Find that same warrior with the left leg back, warrior one. Square the hips, reach the arms. Find your full expression. Any arms. The heart stays lifted. Feel where you're stretching and where you're strengthening, both at once. Breathing deeply. Float the hands down to the inside of the foot. Bring your left knee down. Find a movement in the hips. Anything that feels good. And of course, the breath is still deep. We'll walk the foot over for our pigeon pose. Again, adjust and readjust until you've got the comfortable stretch. And then make it deeper by hinging forward. You can rest the forehead on the hands. Breathing space into the right hip now. Begin to find your way back up, plant the hands, turn the back toes under, lift the hips right into that three-leg dog, right leg up to the sky, bend its knee, open the hip. And take the leg back to center and down to the mat. Find your plank to lower, to lift your heart, to recreate downward facing dog. Bring the knees back down to the mat, sit back on your heels, child's pose. And begin to make your way back into your downward facing dog. Walk the feet to the hands, standing forward bend. Half lift. Take your fold and hold opposite elbows, hanging heavy. Still breathing deeply. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Step your right leg back. Inhale, reach the arms out and up. Exhale, float the arms down to clasp behind you. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, hinge forward at the hip creases. Breathe space into the back of that left leg. Release the clasped hands, lift your heart halfway, breathe in, exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway, exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway, exhale, fold. Bring the back heel down, lift back into warrior one. Float the arms down, hands to the mat, back foot steps forward, half lift, breathing in, fold, breathing out. Arms out and up on the inhale, hands to the heart on the exhale. Step your left leg back, square to the front, inhale, reach up. Exhale, float the arms down, clasp the hands behind you, inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, fold forward. Breathing space into the shoulders, the leg. Release the clasp and float the arms down to inhale, lifting halfway. Exhale, fold again. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. One more time, big breath in, lifting. Exhale as you fold. Prepare for warrior one. Back heel comes down, front knee bends, arms reach up. Breathe. Float the arms down. Back foot forward, half lift, breathing in. Fold again, breathing out. Arms out and up with a big breath in. Hands to the heart with its exhale. Find a place that feels good for balancing, on or off of the mat. Root into your right leg. Bring the left heel to the ankle, calf, or thigh for a tree pose. Always bypass the knee. And try to keep the legs parallel with each other, that bent knee parallel to the long leg. Find your drishti point, that non-moving spot to lock your gaze. And work towards stillness. Release with control, shake it out, bend it out, dance it out, let it go. Bring the weight into your left foot. Right heel finds its way to wherever it needs to be for your tree pose. And find your breath. Sense your body strong, balanced. Take your time to come back out, bend it out, shake it out, dance it out. Inhale the arms to reach up. Exhale, hands back down to the heart. Centering breath again. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands down the center line to the heart. Inhale, find your reach. Exhale right back down to the heart. We'll play with dancer pose. You'll bring the weight again into your right foot. This time left knee bends, bring the foot behind you. Maybe take a hold of the foot. Maybe reach your right arm up. You can stay here or kick the foot into the hand for great dancer pose. I like to bring my right pointer and thumb to touch, a mudra for concentration and focus. Slowly make your way back out with control, step by step, until both feet are back on the mat. Shake it out, bend it out, dance it out, let it go. Inhale, reach out and up. Exhale, down to the heart, centering back in to bring the weight into the left foot this time. Right knee bends. Maybe taking a hold of the foot or the ankle. Maybe the left arm reaches to the sky. Stay where you are or kick the foot into the hand. Hinging forward a little. Check in with your breath. Begin to make your way back out with control. That's part of the balance challenge. And shake it out, bend it out, let it go. Come to the top of the mat. Hands at the heart to inhale, out and up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale the arms back out and up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Step your right leg back one more time, this time for triangle pose. Feet aligned with each other, except the back toes are turned in, front toes forward. Reach forward and then down. Left arm reaches to the sky. Maybe you're gazing to the sky. Otherwise, the gaze can be forward or down to the earth. Begin to lift back up, bend that front knee, find Virabhadrasana 2, your warrior 2. Take the gaze out over your left middle finger. Breathe. Reverse warrior. Find your way back into warrior 2. Bring the arms down by that front foot. Step the back foot forward. Half lift on an inhale. Fold again, breathing out. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Your left leg steps back. Preparing for your triangle, reach forward and down, stack the shoulders. Take your gaze to the sky, forward or down. Breathe. Press through both legs to begin to lift back up. Preparing for warrior 2, the front knee bends, the arms reach out. Take the gaze out over your front middle finger. Reverse your warrior when you're ready for it. Nice side stretch in front. Back through warrior 2 to bring the hands to the mat. The front leg steps back this time, downward facing dog, with or without movement. Find what you need. From here, the knees come back to the mat. Shift your hips side to side. Make some circles with your body, anything that feels good. So just winding down, keeping the breath deep. Maybe some cat and cow, inhaling tailbone, head, and heart. Exhaling, rounding the spine. When you feel complete, make your way back to a seated position to find your way down onto your back. Adjust, readjust until the spine feels long. And then lift your right leg up to the sky, holding with both hands somewhere comfortable. One final stretch for the back of that leg. We'll take this stretch into the hip and the knee, half happy baby. The knee bends to take a hold of the foot or the ankle. Release the hold, take the foot down to that left knee and find a twist. The knee moves down to the left. The head turns to the right, arms can reach out to the sides. If it doesn't feel good to keep the foot on the knee, definitely find a position that feels good instead. Release the twist slowly back to center. Bend both knees, readjust, lengthen the spine. Draw the knees into the chest for a hug. Feel free to rock side to side. And then extend the legs long, with the left leg up to the sky, drawing it in. Breathe. One final stretch for the back of this leg now. Take it to your half happy baby, bending the knee, taking a hold of the foot or the ankle. Knee toward the earth, sole of the foot points to the sky. Release the hold to take that foot to the right knee. Finding your twist, the knee moves down to the right. Again, if it doesn't feel good to keep the foot connected to the knee, find where it does feel good. The head can turn to the left. Unravel. Again, both knees into the chest for a hug, movement or stillness, both welcome. Extend the legs up to the sky. You can bring the hands beside the body or underneath the hips for support. Point and flex the feet. And your happy baby, holding the ankles or the feet or the legs, knees toward the earth, soles of both feet now toward the sky. You can rock side to side if that feels good. Otherwise, keep your stillness. We'll release, bring the soles of the feet to the edges of the mat, back to that windshield wiper-like motion. Knees float side to side. And then extend the legs long on the mat, adjusting, readjusting. Reach the arms up overhead, stretching the whole body long. And from here, if there's any final stretches or anything else at all that you might need before you rest into stillness for Shavasana, allow it to happen. Take your time with it. When you're ready for that final resting pose, adjust, readjust, until your body is completely comfortable. Allow yourself to let go. Scanning the body. Start at your feet. Relax the toes completely. The soles of the feet, the tops of the feet, the ankles, all heavy. Completely relax the calves, both calves, the knees, the shins, the thighs, and the hips, the pelvis melting, the whole torso totally relaxed, your shoulders, your arms, elbows, wrists, hands and fingers melting. The muscles in the neck all let go. Every single muscle in your face completely relaxed. The forehead, the jaw, the whole body completely relaxed. If you'd like, begin to imagine that you're surrounded by a cocoon of white light. It's so healing, so bright, moving into and out of your body with your breath. You're absorbing this healing white light through your skin into every cell of your body. Your white light cocoon, so nourishing and nurturing. Allow yourself to bathe in that white light. Remaining full, completely filled with white light healing energy. Notice your breath. Notice how your body feels against your mat. Begin to allow movement back in. Take your time to find your way to one side. And then back up to your seated position, rooting in. The eyes stay closed, hands together at the heart. The light within me truly honors the light within you. Namaste.